week 1 on Monjaro 7 दिन में 2.5 किलो चला गया, which honestly sounds amazing, right? But सच बताओ, weight loss was not the thing that shocked. The weirdest part was मेरा brain suddenly quiet हो गया around food. No constant cravings, no constant kitchen rounds. और अगर आप emotional eating या food noise से struggle करते हो, you'll understand how strange that feeling is. Because while I was celebrating appetite suppression, I was also accidentally under eating, under hydrating और basically अपने body को confuse कर रही हूँ. So if you are new here, I am documenting my real GLP-1 journey in India. Honestly, the good parts, the side effects, the emotional drama, the mistakes, the learning, everything. और अभी since मैं week 13 पे हूँ, I thought let's properly go back and document this journey from the beginning. So this is week 1. Week 1 started on 3rd January 2026. Starting weight था 104.4 kilos. First dose 2.5 mg on tirzepatide, that is Mounjaro. I was honestly very nervous before taking the injection because जब भी आप online Mounjaro के बारे में search करते हो, you mostly see two extremes. Either this medication changed my life or full of horror stories. So horror stories are vomiting, nausea, people saying they can never look at food again with that same excitement. So naturally मेरे दिमाग में already disaster movie चल रही. So I genuinely thought अब life भर soup और electrolytes पे जीना पड़ेगा. But surprisingly, day 1 was completely normal. Nothing dramatic happened. और मुझे लगा बस इतना ही. But day 2 में थोड़ा mild nausea हुआ, very low appetite, fatigueness के signs आ रहे थे, but nothing severe. बस ऐसा लग रहा था कि body quietly adjust कर रही है. But the biggest change on week 1 was mental. Food stopped occupying my mental space. Or honestly, unless somebody has struggled with food noise, it's very hard to explain this feeling. That constant mental chatter. कि क्या खाऊं, कॉफी ले लूं, थोड़ा स्नैक खाते हैं, something sweet. Suddenly वो background noise बहुत quiet हो गया. And for the first time in years, I felt mentally calm around food. Honestly, that emotional calm felt much bigger than the 2.5 kilo that I lost. Because scale का नंबर अलग होता है, but food constantly controlling your thoughts, that's exhausting. But this is also where I made my first Mounjaro mistake. Because I got so excited about not feeling hungry कि मैं एक बहुत important चीज भूल गई. Your body still needs nutrition even when appetite disappears. And trust me, मेरी body ने मुझे बहुत जल्दी अच्छे से सिखा दिया. So by end of week 1, 104.4 kilos became 101.8 kilos. और मेरे दिमाग में मैं खुद को फुल हेल्थ क्वीन समझ रही थी. Meanwhile, मेरा बॉडी अंदर से बोल रहा था, मैडम प्लीज प्रोटीन दे दो. Because some days I was barely eating, like थोड़ा सा दाल, little curd, small roti, some fruit maybe, and somehow convincing myself कि this is peak wellness behavior. The problem is Mounjaro appetite बहुत aggressively कम कर देता है. तो अगर आप intentionally नहीं हो nutrition के साथ, it becomes very easy to undereat. और फिर slowly मुझे symptoms notice होने लगे, like low energy, dizziness, fatigue, weakness. उस time मुझे लगा, oh maybe this is just the medication, right? ऐसा लगा मुझे. But looking back now, a lot of it was also dehydration and inadequate nutrition, especially protein. Because भूख नहीं लग रही मतलब बॉडी को फ्यूल नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं. My side effects during week 1 was thankfully pretty mild, like slight nausea, fatigue, very low appetite, no severe GI symptoms, no scary vomiting episode, nothing extreme. और honestly I think ये बोलना important है because online कभी-कभी सिर्फ worst case stories ही दिखते हैं हमें. For me, week 1 felt less like my life is collapsing and more like my body is learning something new. So when I look back now after 13 weeks, week 1 wasn't really about weight loss. It was about hope. Because for the first time in a very long time, मुझे लगा मेरे food के साथ मेरा relationship permanently broken नहीं. And honestly, that feeling is emotional. Especially if you have struggled with weight for years. Also, tiny spoiler, मेरा week 1 confidence बहुत ज़्यादा time survive नहीं की. Because immediately after this, I ended up hospitalized. 9th January is 13th January. And before anybody panics, no, this was not simply Mounjaro ruined my life. No, that was not the scenario. It was more complicated than that. और honestly, उसमें भी मेरी mistakes थी. So we'll talk about all of that in week 1.5. So yeah, this was my first week on Mounjaro in India. 2.6 kilos down, a very little appetite, a strangely quiet brain, और बहुत सारी learning. So if you're on GLP-1 journey too, tell me, what was the strangest thing you noticed during your first few weeks? And subscribe if you want to follow this series week by week, because trust me, ये journey और भी interesting होने वाली है. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.